Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how can you set your default browser as Google Chrome. So for doing this, you have to click on window key and then search here settings. So here into the settings, you have to go into the system and then search here default. So here you can see default apps is showing. Now click on it. So now search here Chrome. So here you can see Chrome is showing. Now click on it. So here you can see this is showing as make Google Chrome your default browser. Now click on it, set default. So this is how you can set Google Chrome as your default browser. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.